In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make style changes in Ecwid, focusing on how to edit design elements in Ecwid for the year 2025. Whether you're new to Ecwid or looking to refresh your online store's look, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to access your design settings. To get started, head over to the Ecwid website by typing in www.ecwid.com in your browser. Once you're there, log into your Ecwid account using your credentials. If you haven't used Ecwid before, you might want to familiarize yourself with the layout, but don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. Once logged in, navigate to the website section. If you're using the Ecwid instance site, you'll want to click Edit Site. It's here that you'll find the tools necessary to begin customizing the appearance of your store. Next, let's tap into the design settings. Within the design or instance site editor, you'll find a variety of options at your disposal. The interface offers a user-friendly way to make several stylistic changes that will give your store a unique touch. For instance, one of the most noticeable elements you can modify is the color scheme. Explore the options available to change colors for buttons, backgrounds, and text. Choosing a color scheme that aligns with your brand identity can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site. Another important aspect is setting the right fonts. You'll have control over the typography of your headings and body text. Choose fonts that are not only stylish but also easy to read, as this plays a crucial role in user experience on your website. Moving on to layout adjustments, you'll have the flexibility to decide how products are displayed. Whether you prefer a product grid view, a list view, or any other arrangement, these choices will impact how customers navigate through your offerings. So take the time to pick a layout that showcases your products effectively. Additionally, don't forget about your store's elements such as the header, footer, and product cards. These components are essential for the overall aesthetics and functionality of your site. Making thoughtful edits here can create a more cohesive look and feel across your entire storefront. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, it's time to preview your changes. Take a moment to click the preview button to see how everything looks in action. This step is crucial as it provides you with an opportunity to spot any tweaks that might be needed before going live. Finally, the last step is to publish your newly designed store. Hit the publish button or save to make your changes live for your audience to see. This step marks the fruition of your hard work in making your store visually appealing and user-friendly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to make effective style changes in Ecwid, setting up your online store for a better customer experience and reflecting your brand's personality. Thanks for joining us today.